Welcome back to the channel, where we explore design stories that blend history, craftsmanship, and soul. Today, we step into the heart of the city of Paris to discover a Parisian architecture masterpiece that feels both grand and intimately livable. This timeless home captures the romance of old-world Europe while embracing subtle modern comforts, making it a perfect inspiration for anyone who loves rustic vintage decor infused with elegance. Nestled along a quiet boulevard lined with mature plane trees, this residence stands as a testament to classic Haussmannian influence. The stone façade, adorned with wrought-iron balconies and tall arched windows, reflects the architectural transformation that shaped much of Paris in the 19th century. From the very first glance, the building tells a story of heritage, artistry, and enduring beauty that has gracefully aged through generations. As we step through the heavy wooden doors, we are welcomed by a dramatic entryway with mosaic tile flooring and soaring ceilings. The patina on the brass fixtures and the subtle wear on the limestone floors add authenticity and character. A sweeping staircase curves upward, its ornate railing echoing the craftsmanship of a bygone era, setting the tone for the timeless elegance that unfolds throughout the home. The main salon is bathed in natural light streaming through floor-to-ceiling French windows. Original herringbone parquet floors anchor the space, while intricate crown moldings frame the ceiling like delicate artwork. Rustic vintage elements, such as an antique gilded mirror, a weathered oak coffee table, and linen-upholstered sofas, soften the grandeur, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels curated yet comfortable. Every corner reveals exquisite detailing, from hand-carved fireplace mantels to plaster rosettes and wall paneling. The marble fireplace, reminiscent of classical European design, serves as a focal point that radiates understated luxury. Subtle distressing on furniture pieces enhances the rustic charm, proving that imperfections often bring the most character and authenticity to a refined interior. Moving into the dining area, we find a harmonious blend of opulence and simplicity. A long reclaimed wood table sits beneath a crystal chandelier, reflecting light against soft neutral walls. Vintage dining chairs with cane backs surround the table, creating a relaxed yet sophisticated ambience. The room feels ready for intimate gatherings, where candlelight and conversation fill the air with warmth. The kitchen is a delicate balance between history and practicality. Custom cabinetry in muted cream tones pairs beautifully with aged brass hardware. Open shelving displays ceramic dishware and copper pots, adding rustic authenticity. While modern appliances are seamlessly integrated, the overall aesthetic honors the building's historical roots, allowing functionality to coexist gracefully with tradition. One of the most enchanting spaces is the private library, lined with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves painted in a deep, moody hue. A vintage ladder glides along the shelves, inviting exploration. A tufted leather armchair sits beside a tall window, creating a cozy reading nook that feels timeless. The scent of old books and polished wood adds to the sensory richness of the room. The master bedroom embodies quiet luxury. Soft linen drapes frame tall windows overlooking the cityscape, while a carved wooden bed becomes the room's centerpiece. Layered textiles in neutral tones create depth and comfort. The subtle play between rustic wood accents and refined architectural moldings results in a serene retreat that feels both elegant and deeply personal. In the bathroom, classic marble surfaces meet vintage-inspired fixtures. A freestanding clawfoot tub sits beneath a gilded mirror, reflecting natural light from the window. Hexagonal floor tiles nod to traditional Parisian design, while warm metallic finishes add character. The space feels like a private spa, blending refinement with the soulful charm of historic architecture. What truly defines this home is its masterful use of textures. Weathered wood, aged metals, soft linens, and cool stone surfaces interact in perfect harmony. The layering of materials creates depth and visual interest without overwhelming the senses. This thoughtful composition reflects the essence of rustic vintage decor, where authenticity and elegance coexist effortlessly. Natural light plays a central role in shaping the home's atmosphere. Throughout the day, sunlight filters through tall windows, casting gentle shadows across ornate moldings and textured walls. In the evening, warm lamplight and flickering candles transform the interiors into an intimate sanctuary. The interplay of light enhances every architectural detail, emphasizing timeless beauty. Despite its serene interior, the home remains deeply connected to the vibrant rhythm of Paris. From the balcony, one can glimpse charming rooftops and hear the distant hum of city life. This juxtaposition of tranquility and urban energy gives the residence a unique character, allowing residents to experience both peaceful retreat and cultural richness. A key element of this masterpiece is the respectful preservation of its original features. Rather than erasing history, the design celebrates it. Carefully restored moldings, preserved flooring, and repurposed antique furnishings maintain the building's integrity. This approach honors craftsmanship while ensuring the home remains relevant and functional for modern living. As we conclude our tour of this Parisian architecture masterpiece, we are reminded that true timelessness lies in balance between grandeur and comfort, history and innovation, elegance and rustic charm. This home in the heart of Paris stands as a beautiful example of how architecture can tell a story across centuries. If you love rustic vintage decor infused with European sophistication, this inspiring space offers endless ideas for creating warmth, character, and enduring style in your own home.